When you hire us to manage your property, one of the most important things we do is protect your asset. And the way we do that is through a structured, proactive walkthrough and inspection process. Let me walk you through exactly how it works and why it matters. We have a dedicated full-time inspection specialist on our team. This isn't something we outsource, and it's not something we treat casually. Our inspector is trained to a very high standard with one clear objective: to give you a clear, detailed picture of how your property is being cared for. At a minimum, we perform 2 walkthrough inspections per year. The first inspection typically happens around 3 to 4 months after move-in. This timing is intentional. It allows the tenant to settle into the home and live normally. So when we inspect, we're seeing the property in its true day-to-day condition. If everything looks great, we schedule the next inspection about 6 months later, which aligns with the lease renewal period. This gives us real data to help guide renewal decisions. After each inspection, you'll receive a detailed report uploaded directly to your owner portal. These reports include high-quality color photos, often 360-degree images, so you can view the entire room, detailed written notes and observations, and a consistent inspection format, so nothing gets missed. You're not guessing what's happening at your property, you're seeing it. Every report is reviewed internally by our team. We don't just upload it and move on. We actively look for maintenance issues, lease violations, and preventative concerns. If something needs attention, we take action. For example, unauthorized pets, property condition issues, and items that violate the lease. If needed, we issue a notice to the tenant to correct the issue, and we follow up to make sure it's resolved. Inspections are critical. This is where many property managers fall short. Without regular inspections, small problems go unnoticed. Unauthorized occupants or pets can slip through, and minor damage turns into major repairs. We don't just collect rent, we manage your property like an asset. In fact, when we take over properties, it's not uncommon for tenants to push back a bit when we schedule an inspection. They'll say things like, "I've lived here for years and no one has ever come inside the home." And that's exactly the problem. And that's not how a property should be managed. Routine inspections allow us to catch issues early, correct behavior, and protect your investment long term. During each walkthrough, we're not just looking at surface level cleanliness. We're also actively looking for unreported damage, hidden issues the tenant may not even be aware of, and deferred maintenance that could turn into larger problems over time. This includes things like leaks under sinks, early signs of roof or ceiling issues, exterior wear like paint, stucco, or wood rot, and HVAC performance and air filter condition. Many of these issues start small, and if they go unnoticed, they can become expensive very quickly. Our goal is to catch them early, document them properly, and address them before they escalate. As you approach lease renewal, we perform a lease renewal walkthrough, giving you an updated snapshot of the property as part of our ongoing inspection process. From there, we help you make an informed decision, either renew the tenant or provide notice and obtain a new tenant. Our goal is always tenant retention when it makes sense and asset protection at all times. What do these inspections cost? There's no separate charge for these inspections. They're built into our management service. We believe protecting your property shouldn't be optional, it should be standard. At the end of the day, walkthrough inspections are one of the most important tools we use to protect your property. They give you visibility, accountability, and peace of mind, and they ensure your investment stays in great condition year after year. If you have any questions about our property management services, don't hesitate to reach out to our office. We are here to help.